How to copy your TikTok profile link. Open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. You'll be able to access your profile over here. Tap on the option Edit that you can see right next to your TikTok username. Once you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile. Right under the option for username, you'll be able to see your TikTok profile link. Tap on the copy icon. So this is basically your TikTok profile link. You can send this link to other people. For example, I'm going to send it via the messenger. Simply go to the platform of your choice and send the link. Now whenever that person will tap on the link, you can see over here your TikTok profile will be opened. Like this, you can copy TikTok profile link. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.